Hello, just adjusting my doable office light. Really quite helpful to have one of these things. Here's an example of it. It's controlled by Wi-Fi, so my Amazon Alexa or your Google or whatever can use it, or you can use it via an app on your phone. By bringing the brightness down to as low as you want it, then it's going to save you a bit of money. They're not very powerful in the first place, but if you turn them all down enough, that's going to be great. Okay, so hello again. Welcome back if you've been here before. Great to see you again. I'm glad you're returning. I hope you're finding something useful out of it. Please like, share and subscribe and tell other people about it as much as you can. If it's your first time here, then it's really good to see you. Great to make new friends again. Have a look around the channel. I think there's lots of useful stuff there. If there's anything particular you'd like to see, drop a note in the comments below the video and I'll see what I can do for you. Well, today I'm going to be looking at batteries and rechargeable battery power. So let's get started. So let's talk about rechargeable batteries. Now, there are three types of rechargeable battery. There's the old nickel metal hydride, which has largely been supplemented by lithium ion, and then there's the nice little lithium polymer ones, which are the ones you see in Apple Macs, for example, very curvy and very plasticky. So, lithium ion is the most common for standard battery sizes, so you get them in anything you like. So here's a AAA, a AA, and here's a whatever it is. But they come in all sorts of sizes. Oh, and a big one here as well. So, whatever size battery you're using, there's probably a rechargeable that's going to fit in exactly the same spot for you. Okay, lithium ion is the most common, as I said, and these things all come in different capacities. So, for example, this one is a 2300. You can see the numbers on the battery, but this one, which is the same, whoops, this one, which is the same physical size, is 2800, and even more dramatically, this one is a 200. But this one is a 600, the same size but 3 times the capacity in that one. So it's worth considering getting the biggest ones that you can afford to keep things going longer. Okay. There's also things called power banks, so which are basically very big batteries. For example, there's this one, which is 13,200 milliamp hours compared to 200 in here. And this one, which is physically bigger, but this is 20,000 milliamp hours. Probably got enough power in there to recharge your mobile phone 4 times, something like that. So pretty good. I use them to recharge things on the go, but also for running devices like my USB powered portable soldering iron, which is handy out in the field, or more realistically at the moment, my USB powered waistcoat, which keeps me nice and warm in the winter's days, which we're having quite a bit of at the moment. I mentioned this in a previous video. Okay, now as a quick tip, life is measured in power cycles. That's how often the battery has gone from 100% full to 0 empty. So the key really is not to empty them. Try and keep your rechargeable stuff between 80% and 20% to make sure they have a longer lifespan. You get more value for your money. That's great. Of course, if you want to go further, then some of these new power banks, not this one, have a solar powered panel. And this is the panel I use for running my security cameras. So pop them up, plug it in, forget about it. So really quite useful, this sort of thing. So make sure you keep your rechargeables charged and you keep yourself connected. So that was just a quick encouragement to use rechargeable batteries. Let's think about the planet, let's think about our own costs, and let's see what we can do. Hope you found it useful. I did when I came onto rechargeable batteries, particularly these power bank things, really good. So if you enjoyed it, please like the video. Please share the video with other people. Let them help doing their bit for the economy of the planet and net zero and all that sort of stuff. And please subscribe to the channel so you know what I'm going to be doing next. As I said earlier, any particular topic you'd like me to cover, about anything to do with technology vaguely, then drop it in the comments and I'll see what I can do for you. So, bye for now.